So you'll want to know what to do if your retainer cracks or breaks. Well, the first step is don't panic. Your teeth will not shift back to their pre-treatment position right away. You do, however, want to get a new retainer as quickly as possible. Teeth have elastic memory, so if you go too long without a retainer, then they will begin to shift again. Unfortunately, there is no way to properly repair clear plastic retainers. You will not be able to repair your retainers, so don't even think about supergluing them together. But if possible, continue to wear the retainer. Even if it's in two pieces, it will still serve to hold the teeth in place. Just be sure that there is no pinching of the gums or risk of swallowing a loose piece of the retainer in your sleep. If you are a previous customer with Sporting Smiles, check with our customer service team to see if we still have your dental molds on file or if your impressions are 3D digitally scanned. That way, Sporting Smiles can use those to make you a new retainer. Because in an emergency, this may be the best option, including our emergency retainer kit where you can receive retainers in 6 to 7 business days guaranteed. So if your retainer has cracked or broken, getting a spare retainer set made is always a good idea so you have a backup on hand. If you find that you regularly crack your retainers or suffer from teeth grinding and wear through them, then you may want to try our Essix Plus retainers. The Plus material is 2 times as durable as the standard material. That means it is much less likely to perish and crack over time. If you've cracked your retainer, we recommend that you act quickly. We have an expedited shipping option that will get your replacement to you as quickly as possible. If you need to take new impressions or do not have a dental mold on hand, then you will definitely want to go with the expedited shipping or the aforementioned emergency retainer kit. It's a good idea to order a spare set of retainers along with your replacement set. That way you can avoid the stress of being without a retainer. If your current set breaks or gets lost, you will be glad that you have a spare set on hand. As Sporting Smiles, we keep all impressions on file for 1 year, or you can opt to have your molds digitally scanned so we can keep them on file for life, for you to reorder whenever you'd like. And of course, repeat customers get a massive discount when you continue to reorder every year. So if your retainer cracks or breaks, remember, you will not be able to repair it if it's clear plastic retainers. But don't panic. Just get in touch with Sporting Smiles and we will do everything we can to get you a replacement set in time to preserve all that hard work that you've put into your smile. If you're interested in ordering a replacement set or a spare set of retainers in case your set ever cracks, all you have to do is click the link below.